Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So this is one of the two grapes that I have. This is the Niagara White. I've had this for I think this is the third year that I've had this. But a few months ago, I transplanted it to this pot, and I started training it onto this wire trellis. So what I realized a few months ago was that I have the wrong grapes. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see this. See this black spots? So I'm not sure if this is fungus or if it's the skeletonizer worm that's attacking the grapes. So what I realized is that I'm growing the wrong grapes from my zone. I'm in zone 9B, and this is not the right grape to have. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to. So there are ants there. I don't think they're aphids. It's probably from a fungus. We've been having a lot of rain, which is great for other things. But I think I just have the wrong grapes, the wrong grape variety. So I wanted to just show how this grape variety looks like in the middle of summer. See, there are ants everywhere. So my goal is to let this grow for this season, and then I'll replace it with muscadine grapes. So muscadine grapes are supposed to do better in our hot climate. They resist diseases, they resist pests, and they're okay with our humidity because it's been raining a lot, and it's also very humid, which is very normal for Houston. So I just wanted to show how the wrong grape type looks like in the middle of summer. So it's grown a lot since I transplanted it. It's reached all the way to the end. I'm training it to the end, but like I said, in the fall I'll be getting rid of this. But for now, I'll just go ahead and spray it with a neem solution. So this is just neem leaves that I boiled. I'll just be spraying it. So I'm not sure if it's a fungus or if this is from, if it's something else. But with neem, I can just, it doesn't matter what it is, I'll just do it. But then again, it's also raining a lot, so who knows if this will work, because everything might be washed off anyway. So this is the Niagara White, and my second one is on this side, which is the red Catawba grape. It is right here. So this has also grown since it was transplanted. It's not as bad as the other one. See, it just has a little bit of the leaves, a little bit of the dead leaves. It's not as badly off as the Niagara White, but it's still not, it's not great anyway. So let's see. Oops. Yep. Let's see. Found the worms. So it's probably a skeletonizer. You see that? Anyway, this is probably one of the reasons why growing table grapes in the south is not a great idea. Yeah, that's a skeletonizer, that worm that fell. You see it? Where is it? Right here. See that? Right there. Yeah, so that's what's attacking it. I thought it was maybe fungus, but it looks like it's a skeletonizer. Anyhow, this is the red Catawba grape. I'll spray it also with the Neem, just to get it through the season. And this is also the third year for this. So every summer, this is how they normally look like. And when I first planted, I just bought the grapes that were in the store. So I didn't, I assume that whatever we have is right for our zone, that whatever is in the store is right for our zone, but apparently they are not. So anyhow, yeah, let's see. Yep. See, let the eggs there. There's one right there. Trying to focus. There's a worm right there, but you can't see it. Anyway, I just wanted to show how the grapes look like, and I'll be getting rid of it, getting rid of both of them in the fall, and I'll be getting some muscadine grapes, which should do much better for our zone. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.